give it a shot, do some cutting with it, and see how it does. I did actually, after the unboxing video, get in there and tune it up a little bit. I still didn't crank it all the way up because it's brand new. I want to run a few tanks through it before I actually crank it all the way up, just to be on the safe side. So I guess we'll just get at it. Crabby little thing. Well, it dances. And it seems to cut all right. I just sharpened that chain when I took that bar off of the 192, and apparently I did a pretty good job because it's grabbing hard, which is a bit much for a 35cc saw, but hey, it was working. Still needs to be, the top end still needs to come up. Idle's about right, but yeah, I think after I get a couple tanks through it and get the RPMs up on the top end, that this is going to be a good little saw. But anyway, what do you think, guys? Is it worth the just a hair over 300 is what they are now? Someone asked in the unboxing video why it was more than other saws, and I don't know why top handle saws are always more expensive. I don't know exactly why that is. I guess it's because they're putting all that power into such a compact unit. They're lightweight, they're easy to handle. Something you can't get with a rear handle saw. You're not going to pick up a rear handle saw by the handle and do this. And if you do, you're a strong son of a gun. So I'm assuming that's the only reason is it's just the way it's all designed. It's harder to build, more expensive to build, so it costs more to buy. But this one is still half the price of a comparable saw from Stihl, or maybe even a little less than half. So anyway, well guys, hope that answered some questions. I think I'm quite all right with it. I can hardly wait to get it up in a tree, except not with me. All right guys, thanks. We'll see you on the next one.